today I'm finished with my Sisterlocks and I love them already. I could cry.
Nita does do my hair, so yeah.
Back with another video, back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Today. Today. For real today. It is Thursday, April the 18th. Oh, okay. 18th, 2019. She had her Sisterlocks for 3 weeks now. This is her second wash. She is still braided. So how do you feel about getting Sisterlocks for your daughter?
Well, I'm excited for all of us, actually. Just the ease of spraying it every day and just never having to put a lot of chemicals in will be great for our family. And I'm just looking to have fun with her with some new styles.
Yay!
Yeah.
I'm ready for this. It's like 7-something in the morning. So my body is still aching, like from your last night doing hair. So this is for day one. I'm hoping that I can get a lot done today without my body like giving out on me. I gotta brush my teeth, but I'm hoping that my body doesn't give out on me today and that everything goes well. I will take a couple breaks. I don't like to take breaks. I like to just get it done. So I gotta take breaks. Also, I have to have water. Kia gave me that pointer to have water by my side during the whole installation and drink plenty of water.
I am so excited about my Sisterlock journey. It's been a long trial with my hair and just being able to love it, and I haven't, and today I'm finished with my Sisterlocks and I love them already. I could cry.
You're gonna make me cry.
It's not painful.
Oh my gosh, it's crying.
And Nita taught me that having your hair look good doesn't have to be painful. And that's just beautiful to me. So thank you, Nita. I appreciate you.
Girl. Because we just had our moment, but I had to bring her back because you had to talk about like your compliments that you got when we only had half of it done.
Yeah, so yesterday I was trying to figure out if I was gonna wear my hair out, and I was like, you know what, whatever, it looked great. Nita put in a braid for me, and then I just had it kind of pulled back, and so many people were like, oh my gosh, I love it, it's beautiful. And it was just so good to hear that and to actually feel that finally. So
Aww.
thank you.
Okay, and I just gotta say that she was a totally different person today than she was the day that she came in for the install. So she had it halfway done. I look at her mess, 3 o'clock in the morning, just back hurt. But she was like, she had more confidence. I could just see she was a just different person, and it was only front done and half the back done, and she came in here like
Just flip flop.
So I've been doing research for a few years on these Sisterlocks and waited until Nita got trained. And at first I was just gonna do Sino's hair, my youngest. And then Pilla found out about it and started doing her own research and insisted on having hers done too. Nita I'm so glad she was able to do the girls' hair. She took her time, did excellent work. The girls had a lot of fun coming, and we're excited for this journey. Oh, Sino can't leave her hair alone now. So Sino will walk in school and I'll like kind of spray it down and make it look really cute. And she'll come out like with it all over because she restyled it herself. Sino's journey is going to be pretty unique because she thinks she can do her own hair now. But their teachers are even like so into this. Pilla's teacher asked to come, like where was this happening? She's heard all about it. They had to look it up. There are so many people interested in this, and we're excited to kind of just watch their hair grow, because this is, how long have they been with us? 4 years? We're on 4 years. Yeah, and Sino came completely bald, and she had about 5 inches of hair, would you say, Nita?
Yeah.
No one loves their hair and has more confidence than Sino now that she has Sisterlocks.
We just get a video, so yeah. And Nita does do my hair, so
Do you like it?
yeah.
Okay, well, what do you like about it?
They do the hair,
Do they look pretty?
yeah.
Do you love your Sisterlocks?
Yeah.
Can you wait till they get done, or are you having fun?
Have fun. Get my hair long.
So at school, the older brother saw her walking around with a crown on and stopped her and said, Sino, you're not allowed to touch your hair. And Sino was like, I can do what I want with my hair. Because, you know, she's the boss of her own hair now. She what? Oh, I know. The thing is, hers has shrunk so much, and she's going to throw her neck up because she's like, when people say, Sino, I like your hair, she's like, it's Sisterlocks. And nobody really knows what that is. They have to look it up. But I'm like, just easy, Sino. She's so proud. Someone tried telling her at a track meet she didn't have Sisterlocks, but she set them straight. Nita said these are Sisterlocks.
Oh, well, I'm so excited. I'm glad that you chose me.
Yeah, we're thrilled that you were able to do it. You did an awesome job.
Did it hurt? What was your favorite part?
The end.
Okay.
I love Sisterlocks. We gotta redo that.
Okay.
I love Sisterlocks.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah, we're really excited to kind of see where this goes. We're
Okay.
gonna have to do our pictures.
Yes.
Do pictures and kind of document the journey. Well,
What about you, Dad?
yearly.
This is fantastic. The girls are loving it. It was weird for us to be like not to be there while they have their hair done, but the girls are like, "No, Dad." We show up the second day. Yeah, you leave. You leave now. It's time for us to do our thing. It's our time. So yeah,
great.
just
They're
the whole
so
atmosphere of everything's
sweet.
great.
Oh my
Thank you
God.
for doing that too. Sino thinks you two are like good friends.
We are.
She's like, my friend Nita, and people are like, who's Nita? I'm like, it's Miss Nita. It's Nita. She just hasn't gotten the Miss part down yet.